dent. This dent is far worse than the preliminary report suggested. The structural integrity here is compromised. Check the pitch on the lower blade. It looks inconsistent with the blueprint.
I agree. Mark it for adjustment. The dry dock must be cleared by morning.
The deformation on section 4 is significant.
Yes, the laser confirms the extent of the damage here.
2 millimeters past the mark.
Noted. Check the next section.
Давай вниз, медленно. Левее чуть-чуть. Стой. Так точно. Check the penetration on sector 4. It looks shallow right here, Comrade Captain. Bring her down, easy. Steady, steady.
Pressure holding steady at 200.
Check the feed water levels next.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
A little to the left.
It's set.
Стрелка по-прежнему нестабильна на третьем контуре.
Понял. Регулирую подачу.
Отлично, держим.
The integrity of these forward welds is critical. We must ensure they meet the depth requirements.
Agreed. The stress tests must be thorough here.
Hit it harder there. It is seated now. Check the alignment.
Easy now, lower it slowly.
Looks aligned, Vasily.
Roger that, steady down.
Main power engaged, systems check proceeding. All indicators stable.
Very good. Monitor pressure closely.
Turbines synchronized. Reactor stabilizing at 50% power.
Confirmed, comrade engineer. All systems operating smoothly.
Показатели в норме, но давление немного высокое.
Сейчас подстроим. Готово.
The hull integrity is fully restored to the original 1961 specifications.
And the reactor shielding.
Watch the sparks near the fuel hatch.
All right, lowering the crane now.
The horizontal axis is precisely 150 centimeters.
Confirmed. Recording now.
Easy now. Bring her down another 2 meters. Hold it there. Looks good. Secure the clamps. The starboard plating looks superb.
Yes, comrade, the polymerization is complete.
Проверьте кормовые турбины. Давление в норме.
Так точно, товарищ командир. Все системы в норме.
Main power engaged. Reactor online. All systems green.